More Revit tips and tricks. Try and use the tools that have been created to increase productivity and your speed in Revit. Having a look on the Modify tab, Modify Palette, and you'll find the Align command. I use the Align command every time I need objects to be in line, so that later on if I move one, then they all move in one go, so I don't need to spend time moving lots of elements. So let's see how this works. In the ground floor plan, I'd like to add a new door here, and we can use the CS shortcut to position a new door. Choosing the Align command, we can say align to that door, this door. And the first one that you pick stays still, the second one moves to be aligned to that. Remember to lock a constraint so that now even if you move one, the other will stay aligned to that. You can also use this command in 3D. So here we can see that the downstairs is not aligned to the upstairs. Again, if we move this across and move to 3D, the upstairs door is not aligned to the downstairs door at all. So choosing the Align command, this time I'm going to use tab and choose the wall reveal downstairs, and then find the wall reveal upstairs and select that. Again, remembering to lock the constraint so that if we move one, now the upstairs and the north door all move at the same time. Going back to the ground floor plan, we can also use dimension, position the door. So we'll use the Align dimension here. I'm going to choose the inside of the wall face, this door, and then the inside of this wall face here. And if I bring the dimension down just so that we can see them, I'm also going to choose equals, and it's positioned the door centrally between these two walls. This door has been positioned, this door is aligned to that. And again, if we check in 3D, we can see how that's been positioned upstairs also. Returning to the ground floor plan, this time on the ground floor, if I move the wall, what we can see is the distance here, 5410, has been increased, but the door is still central, equally spaced along this wall as I move this wall here. Then if I go to 3D, we can see that the upstairs has not corresponded to that at all. So what we can do again is, let's choose the Align tool, and we'll choose this east face of the ground floor, then the east face of the upstairs. And again, remember, lock the constraints. Now the roof, because it's been created using a footprint with an offset, it will lock that offset and it will always remain. So as we update now this wall here, the upstairs wall is aligned and locked to that. The north door is positioned centrally, and the south door and the south door upstairs are all aligned to that. Go and try it yourself.